My dear student, welcome to my online class. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today I am going to discuss about expressing future time. So today's class contains future time using be plus equal to using the present progressive to express future time words used for the past time and future time. Using a couple of a few weeks ago, this indicates the past in plus future times. Using today, tonight, and this plus morning and afternoon. Future time using will. Asking questions with the will. So future time using be plus going to. I am going to go downtown tomorrow. So be plus going plus infinitive. That indicates to the future tense. Here is tomorrow is the future indicator. So look, I am going to go downtown tomorrow. So be plus going plus infinitive that indicates to the future, expressing the future time. And Pipa is going to get is called today, and they are going to come home later. So look, according to the subject, auxiliary verb is the same. I plus M, third person singular, there will be a is, and plural verb will be the are. They are going to home later. So look, be plus going to that express the future. M is R plus going plus infinitive that express the future time. I'm not going to go downtown tomorrow. Any is not going to dance at party. The negative, in case of the negative, be plus not. After the be verb, you'll have to use the not, then sentence will be the negative. So look, are they going to go home at 6 p.m.? In case of the questions, we can answer in a short using subject plus auxiliary verb. No, they aren't. Is Alex going to get a school tomorrow? Yes, he is. And what time are you going to play tennis? Around noon. In the questions, we know that to make the interrogative sentence, use the auxiliary verb before the subject. Without the auxiliary verb, we cannot make the interrogative sentence. So that is why be plus subject plus going to plus extension plus sign of interrogation. But in this case, to answer these questions, only we can use it yes and no. Why? This type of sentence called yes and no questions. The question without the WS word is called the yes and no question. So let's practice. Are you going to go to work on Monday? So we can answer it in a short or elaborated way. Yes, I am. I am going to go to work on Monday. So are you going to watch the news on TV? We can say in a short, no, I'm not. Or you can say another way, I'm not going to watch the news on TV. So are you going to study English this year? We can answer the short, yes I am. Or you can say I am going to study English this year. So using the present progressive to express the future time, Sheila is leaving at noon tomorrow. This is the present continuous or progressive tense. You can use it expressing future time. Look, Sheila is going to leave at noon tomorrow. This is the form be plus going plus infinitive that indicate to the future. Also, you can use the continuous tense, present continuous tense, to express the future time. Sheila is leaving at noon tomorrow. Both are the meaning are same. So look, they are going to fly to Tokyo tomorrow, and we can say they are flying to Tokyo tomorrow. You can use the you can be plus going plus infinity, or you can use the present progressive to express the future time. Both the meaning are same. So using the present progressive to express the future time, there is a common verb. Look, come, meet, do, return, drive, spend, fly, start, go, stay, and leave energy. These verbs used for progressive tense to explain the future time. Let's practice. They are going to fly to Ghana on Monday. So we need to use the present progressive tense. So without going to be plus going to. So they are flying to Ghana on Monday. So look, they are going to leave at 9 tomorrow. Be plus going to plus Based on the verb, we need to use the present progressive tense. They are leaving at 9 tomorrow. So I'm going to meet her at bus stop without except the be plus going to plus infinitive. Be plus going plus infinitive. We need to use the sentence in a present progressive. I am meeting her at bus stop. So look, words used for the past time and the future time. Some words used for the indicator past time and the future time. It is going to be a nice day tomorrow. Tomorrow is the word which is indicated to the future time. Let's look some few more examples. Past is started, that indicates to the past tense, and tomorrow that indicates to the future tense. So this night is started. It's going to be snow tomorrow. Started, when you see it is started in sentence, that indicates to the past tense. Tomorrow, and which indicates to the future time. Start morning and tomorrow morning. Start evening and tomorrow evening. Start evening is indicated to the past tense, and tomorrow evening indicates to the future time. And last night and tomorrow night. Last night, when you see started, yes, start and last, that indicates to the past, and tomorrow that will be indicate to the future. I went to class last night. That last night indicates to the past time. That is why I have to use the verb in past form. I am going to go to class tomorrow night. Yet tomorrow night indicates to the future. So the structure is be plus going plus infinitive. That is why you'll have to structure of the future form. Last week, this indicates to the past tense. He went to the doctor in the last week. And next week, he's going to go to the doctor next week. Last is indicated to the past, and next indicates to the future. The past. In the past tense, last is indicated to the past time, and last month, last year, last weekend, and last spring. Very common. You see last plus any other words used in a sentence that indicate to the past tense, and next plus any other words, month, year, weekend, and spring, that indicate to the future time. And that is why we'll have to use the future tense. So look, in the past times, we always use the ago. So minutes ago, days ago, weeks ago, and months ago. You can say that 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 1 day ago, 1 week ago. But in a future time, we can say the one in a 5 minutes, in 5 days, in a 3 weeks, and in a 2 months. In plus time, that indicates to the future. Time plus ago, that indicates to the constant. Look at the example. I washed some of the dishes 10 minutes ago. Time plus ago, this indicates to the constant. And Joy is going to wash the rest in 5 minutes. In plus time, that indicates to the future time. Let's practice. First, try your best to answer this. Later you should match. We went to school Thursday. In the blank, which word will I use? You see, verb is a past tense. So that is why we'll have to use the past time indicator. The answer is last Thursday. So look at another example. They are going to arrive weekend. They are going to. We know that be plus, going plus, infinitive, that indicate to the future time. So that is why we'll have to use the future time indicator. So next weekend, answer will be the next. So look at another example. They are going to play cards. So what will be the answer? You started last, tomorrow, or the next. Last and the next, it comes with a couple of words, but instead and tomorrow use in a single. So the answer will be the tomorrow, because there is only one blank. So look at another example. We went to see a play in New York. Answer will be the it started, because last and the next use with the here, but it started tomorrow is in a sentence as a single. So that answer will be the started. Using a couple of or a few weeks ago in a past tense, but in plus time that indicates to the future. Same right here, few months ago. A few months, a couple of. Both of the phrase can be used in a past tense. So some arrived here a few months ago. Ago is the main part of the sentence. Ago indicates to the past tense. So look, Anwar visited me 1 year ago. That ago, time plus ago, and in plus time. Time plus ago, that indicates the past tense. Look, I'm going to be there in 5 minutes. In plus time, that indicates the future time. Be plus, when plus, infinitive, and in plus time, that indicates the future time. She went to the doctor 4 days ago. Time plus ago, that indicates the past time. So that is why verb is a past simple tense. Look, number with echo and in plus numbers, we saw them a couple of months ago. Echo plus time, a couple of plus time, then echo, that will indicate to the past simple tense. Look, he's going to go home in a couple of months. In plus time, that indicates to the future time. And after the couple of, that noun will be the plural. They visited me a few weeks ago, and she's going to have a baby in a few weeks. A few is a small number. A few equal to a small number that indicates to a small number. So look, Zing and I are going to get married in 2 more days. So in 2 more days, I've told you earlier, in plus times, that indicates to the future. So that is why structure is be plus, going plus, infinitive. I will finish college in few more years. In few more years. So in plus more, that indicates also the future time. Let's practice. They went swimming couple of hours ago. The answer is couple of hours ago because this indicates to the past tense. That is why we have to use ago. So look, she's going to go dancing. He plus going plus infinitive, that indicates to the future. First we'll have to use in couple of hours. So we know that in plus time, that indicates to the future time. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.